Approximately 230 million years ago, a catastrophic event occurred on Earth. A rainstorm that lasted for 2 million years. Climate not only led to the extinction of some species, but also directly propelled dinosaurs to become the dominant rulers of Earth. This is the terrifying Carnian Pluvial event. But what exactly happened during the Triassic period? The Earth's continents were not as dispersed as they are today. Instead, they formed a single supercontinent called Pangaea. Because the plates were tightly connected, the landmass was incredibly vast. This made it difficult for moisture from the oceans to reach the interior of the continent. As a result, this period was one of the driest in Earth's history. Since the emergence of land animals, most of the land was covered by sparse, drought-resistant plants like lycophytes and ferns, forming vast dry plains. In such harsh conditions, land animals were generally small and hardy. During this time, volcanic activity was extremely frequent. Initially, many marine plankton and algae helped balance Earth's carbon dioxide levels. However, during the late Triassic Carnian stage, a catastrophic event occurred. In what is now Canada's west coast, the Rangelia flood basalt eruption, a series of supervolcanoes, erupted intermittently for millions of years, releasing massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This not only acidified the oceans, severely inhibiting algae growth, but also caused a significant greenhouse effect. Finally, 230 million years ago, when Earth's temperature reached a critical point, atmospheric circulation became chaotic. Fierce storms swept across the globe, carrying vast amounts of moisture and unleashing torrential rains everywhere. In the heart of the arid Pangaea supercontinent, a long-awaited downpour began. As the climate became increasingly humid, the rain continued unabated for years, and within just a few decades, the entire landscape of the continent was transformed. Low-lying plants sprang up like bamboo shoots after rain, turning dry lands into lush, wet environments. Grasslands gradually transformed into forests, and Earth's biodiversity underwent a major shift. Previously, animals that had evolved to survive in arid conditions by feeding on ferns could not adapt to the new environment and gradually went extinct. Meanwhile, creatures like turtles and early mammals began to emerge on Earth's stage at the same time. This event marked the rise of the most prosperous vertebrates of the Mesozoic era, the dinosaurs. They eventually evolved to become Earth's dominant species. Looking back at the Carnian Pluvial event, which lasted 2 million years, it not only rejuvenated Earth's ecosystems, but also marked the beginning of a new chapter in the history of life on Earth.